In the southwest border of China, there is a magical land, Yunnan. There are many ethnic minorities living here. They use their wisdom and hands to weave beautiful national pictures. Today, let us embark on this fantastic journey together to explore the beautiful scenery and charming customs of Yunnan. Part 1. Natural Scenery. Lijiang Old Town. Lijiang Old Town is an ancient ethnic minority city with a long history. The streets paved with red breccia are built along the mountains and rivers. Walking on the streets of the ancient city feels like traveling through time and space, returning to the prosperous ancient times. Erhai Lake in Dali. Standing on the shore of Erhai Lake, you can see the rippling blue lake in front of you and the rolling Cangshan Mountains in the distance. The lake is crystal clear, like a mirror, reflecting the beautiful scenery of the sky and mountains. This is an ideal place to find your spiritual home. Cangshan Mountain. To the west of Erhai Lake, Cangshan Mountain stands majestically. It consists of 19 peaks, with a stream flowing down between each two peaks. Cangshan Mountain has complex terrain, lush vegetation, and undeveloped primeval forests everywhere, full of mystery and charm. Shangri-La. Shangri-La. The terrain here is high and the climate is pleasant, making it an ideal place to live. In late spring, early summer and autumn, Shangri-La is even more beautiful and dreamlike. Stone Forest. In Yunnan, there's a place known as the first wonder under heaven, the Stone Forest. This area boasts the world's largest and most diverse collection of Paleozoic karst landscapes. The towering stone pillars reach the sky, leaving one in awe of nature's craftsmanship. Xishuangbanna Tropical Rainforest. Xishuangbanna Tropical Rainforest is the only well-preserved tropical forest on the northern edge of the tropics on Earth and is known as the Animal Kingdom and the Plant Kingdom. Here you can feel the vitality and mysterious charm of nature. Part 2. Folk Activities. Torch Festival of the Yi Nationality. Among the ethnic minorities of Yunnan, the Yi Nationality's Torch Festival is one of the grandest traditional festivals. During the festival, Yi people light torches and hold torch parades and bonfire parties to celebrate the harvest and pray for peace. Water Splashing Festival of the Dai Nationality. The Dai Nationality's Water Splashing Festival, on the other hand, presents a different scene. On this day, Dai men, women and children dress in festive attire and splash water on each other as a blessing. This tradition symbolizes washing away the dirt and misfortune of the past year, bringing in a happy and fulfilling life. This is warning. Some little tips may help. Tip 1. Don't be alone. This is tip 2. Security, no use. Tip 3. No makeup.
今天我化了2个小时的妆，就是为了美美的去参加泼水。
Tip 4. Don't be arrogant. This is tip 5. Don't be armed. This is tip 6. Firefighters won't help. This is tip 7. Tall not help. Tip 8. Do not take dog. This is tip 9. Car won't help. March Street of the Bai Nationality. Finally, we arrive at the Bai Nationality's March Street. This is one of the grand traditional festivals of the Bai people in Dali and the largest gathering for commodity trading in western Yunnan. Here, you can taste authentic Bai cuisine and purchase various unique handicrafts and agricultural products. Part 3. Delicacies. Cross-bridge rice noodles. The signature dish, Kao Mianxian. Composed of soup, condiments, main ingredients, and toppings, each component is carefully selected and prepared. Look at this bowl of mianxian. It's both delicious and visually appealing, making it irresistible. Kao Rushan. Kao Rushan, a delicacy made from fresh milk through a special baking process. Its crispy exterior and soft, creamy interior, filled with a rich milk aroma, make each bite a delightful experience that lingers on the tongue. Flower cake. Flower cake is a unique Yunnan delicacy made from edible roses. Every bite is filled with the wonderful taste of flowers, as if you're immersed in a garden of roses. Yunnan Insect Feast. Yunnan Insect Feast. Insects are given new life and delicious food. The fried grasshoppers are crispy and delicious. The fried cicadas are tender and juicy. The fried bamboo worms are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Each dish is a rare delicacy. This is Yunnan, a land filled with magic and wonder. Here you can admire breathtaking natural scenery, experience rich and colorful ethnic customs, and taste authentic cuisine. Yunnan will not let you down.